Lavender, with its vibrant purple hue and soothing scent, has inspired artists for centuries. From Claude Monet's iconic lavender fields to detailed botanical illustrations, this plant symbolizes tranquility and beauty. The intricate details in lavender's flowers, leaves, and stems have made it a favorite subject for artists and botanists alike. Its cultivation has roots in ancient civilizations, where it was cherished for its aromatic properties. Beyond aesthetics, lavender offers numerous benefits, such as promoting relaxation and enhancing mood. As more people embrace its uses in candles, soaps, and culinary dishes, lavender continues to be a bridge between art and nature, enriching our lives in countless ways. Visit fairygreens.com.